of 2026. I mean, there's ponds where there shouldn't be ponds, deep ponds. Stuff draining everywhere. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see. It's dumping buckets right now. Probably hard to hear me too. But I'm on my way to work. Trying to make it there anyway without flooding the truck out. There's a lot of water in the roads. If you're traveling through stuff like this, you don't want to go too fast because it just literally injects water down your intake system if you're not careful. We're running about 35-ish, somewhere in there. Like that right there. I mean, it's just running everywhere.
Get out of bank.
They like it. We're
Daddy.
They're great.
Guess what? He's coming, Big Daddy. He's coming, Big Daddy.
Oh, that was so
Daddy,
close.
I'm about to get one too, Daddy.
That was so close to getting the hook. I almost didn't. Right by my finger. These fish are mean for this size. Alright guys, we got a hawk that's down there catching a frog or something. My camera ain't gonna focus on it. But he's got something down there. Caught it right off top of the water. Yeah, he's got a frog in his mouth. Can't really hardly see that, but. Alright guys, we got some type of white crane at the pond today. I guess he thinks he's gonna catch some fish. Ain't no fish in that pond, but that hawk caught 2 or 3 frogs yesterday. He might eat frogs, I don't know what he eats. Alright guys, the rain has just slacked off, but the pond's filled all the way back up again. And there's that big white crane, look at there. He just flew in.